Good afternoon, Vishal sir, team members, and the community members of the High team. First, I want to thankful that I introduced myself to this Go Nature's classroom, where we got a knowledge about how we should live. Presently, how many mistakes we are doing in our present life. Actually, the God-given things we are not utilizing it properly, and we are using a man-made things more on our nature. So here we came to know that how many mistakes we are doing in our day-to-day life. So it's better us to move towards the naturopathy and cure ourselves from all the diseases which are occurred and going to be occur in the future to all our family members, society and our country. It's help us to move towards forward through naturopathy in all the areas. If we are healthy, everyone will be healthy. Thank you.